Greetings, Mr. President Ibrahim Traore. I'm sending my greetings from Uganda. We as young people from Uganda, we have heard that you have got an invitation from our government, from our President General Kaguta Museveni to visit Uganda. And the main reason why you are coming to Uganda is to endorse General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, to endorse him as to be the next president of Uganda. Mr. President Ibrahim Traore, we as young generation from Uganda, we are fighting the dictatorship. We are fighting the dictator. And in Uganda, we want democratic government. And in Uganda, we want rule of law. And in Uganda, we want human rights violation to stop. Muhoozi Kainerugaba, our CDF, his father have been in power for 40 years. He came into power in 1986 after killing 500,000 Ugandans to come in power. And right now he has been in power for almost 40 years. And now he wants his son to succeed him. But we as Ugandans, we are fighting for our freedom. We are fighting for our democracy. We are fighting for a rule of law. We are tired of military regime, Mr. President Ibrahim Traore. We Ugandans, we are tired of military regime. That's why we as young people, we are not in support of you to come in Uganda to endorse the military regime again on Ugandans. It means you are coming to endorse the brutality on Ugandans. It means you are coming to endorse the killings on Ugandans. Because right now, Mr. President Ibrahim Traore, Ugandans, especially young people in Uganda, are in direct war with the UPDF army, with the police officers, with the police and military in Uganda, just because they are fighting for their freedom. Just because they are fighting the dictatorship. Just because they are fighting for the rule of law. Just because they are fighting for their rights as Ugandans. So when you are coming in Uganda to endorse such brutality on Ugandans, so when you are coming to Uganda to endorse such impunity on Ugandans, you are really disappointed the young people in Uganda who have hope in you as a young generation like we, Mr. President Ibrahim Traore.